Assalamu alaikum and good evening. In today's video, I'll explain you that if you are buying a property in Dubai, the ready property, and you are a finance buyer and there is no mortgage on the property. So I'll explain you in such a way by assuming a scenario if I'm purchasing a ready property valued at 1 million dirhams where I'm financing the purchase and the property is free of existing mortgage. So the guideline for buying a property at 1 million dirhams with financing through a bank. The first process of transferring the property is to obtain pre-approval from your bank. Any bank you have account, you just need to coordinate with your banker, and they check your salary, and usually it takes like 3 to 4 working days. They give you the pre-approval. As soon as the pre-approval is there, the second process is to sign the form F. We also commonly call as MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, in which all the terms and conditions, payment timeline, and transfer process is mentioned. Usually, if you are a finance buyer, in practice, we put 2 months as a transfer period time. The third process is valuation and final approval. The bank will conduct a valuation of the property to confirm its value. Based on this, the bank issues the final mortgage approval. Then the fourth step is the NOC. You in most of the cases now it's online, and the NOC fee is between 500 to 5,000 dirhams, but usually they charge 500 dirham. After that, as soon as you get the NOC, you go for the transfer in any of the trustee department. I usually go to Seal Trustee Department, which is in downtown in Emar Square Building 1. Yeah. So there you can do the transfer of the property, and the process takes like 1 hour to. You will get the title deed. You will get the new title deed under your name. So in short, if you are buying a property of 1 million dirham, how much initially you have to pay? I'll just give you a rough idea. Like 20% you have to pay initially, which will be 200,000. 4% to Dubai Land Department, 40,000. Admin fee to the trustee department you will pay is 580 dirhams. Registration fee of your mortgage will be 0.25%, and 0.25% of 800,000 will be 2,000 dirhams. And after that, the mostly the bank charge, like the processing fee 1%, so it will be 1,000. And if there is any real estate agent is involved in the deal, he'll charge you 2% plus VAT, so 21,000 for this. And valuation mostly in average, it will cost you 2,500. So in total, it will be like 270,000 initially, approximately, you have to pay. Very common question which mostly all of the buyers or my clients ask, that repayment term for the mortgage on ready properties generally ranges between how many years? So it ranges between 5 to 25 years, but it depends on the factors. Bank policies. Each bank has its own lending terms. Borrower's age, it's very important. Banks typically require that the loan will be repaid by a certain age, oftenly around 65 years for salaried individuals, or but most buyers opt for terms between 15 and 25 years to balance monthly payments and interest costs. However, you can often make early payments or negotiate a shorter term if that suits your financial plan. So if you're planning to buy a property and want to know the exact payments you will need to make or arrange before the transfer process, or if you have any questions about the process of buying property through a bank, or if you're even a cash buyer, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'll be happy to help you and wish you a good day ahead. Thank you.